I'm Justin Polco Asuncion, 10 Emerald. Today we are going to make a short video tutorial on how to make a straight through RI cable for networking. First, we need these following materials: UTP cable, RJ45, clipping tool, tester, and scissor or cutter. To start, we need the UTP cable and slice it at the end. We need to it a both end of the cable. And the length of slice must not be too short or too long. Inner wires and be able to arrange them according to color. Since we are doing a straight through cable, we are going to arrange them with the T568A wiring standard with color from PIM 1 to PIM 8. Following this color sequence, which is white green, green white orange, blue orange, white brown brown. On the first end of the cable, after we had arranged the wire colors, we need to make sure that the tip of the wires are aligned before we insert them in the RJ45. Yan. Double check the wires before inserting them. If okay, then we insert it in the RG45. Make sure that the tip of the wires touches the inner end of the RG45. All looks good. Take your clipping tool and insert the RG45. Make sure to be careful not to pull out the UTP wires from the RG45. Make sure to be careful not to pull out the UTP wires from the RG45. Press them or secure them properly before placing or apply pressure on the clipping tool. Press it gently so that the gold pins will pierce into the wire. If you listening carefully, we will need to check if the gold pins were able to pierce through. It all looks good. We will do the same at the other end. After we are done with both ends, we will need to test the cable. We can use a tester. Since we do not have a LAN tester, we will settle with multi-tester. To test using a multi-tester, we need to make sure that each corresponding pins are connected or shorted to know if they are connected. We need to set the tester function in it which if the wires are connected, it will make big sounds. We need to place the tip of the tester to pin 1 and the other tip to pin 1. Of the other NRG45. If they are connected, you will hear a beep. Make sure that the tip of the tester touches the pin of the RG45. We will do this on each following pins if all, all of each pair of pins are connected. The cable is ready to use. In case that there is a problem or no connection, you can try re-crimping the RG45 or redo the producer. Take note that used RG45 can no longer be used again. We have to cut it off and use a new R and start again. And we'll now test the cable with our computer. We can check and see that the network is recognized by the computer. As you can see, the computer has detected the network. Now we will open a browser and check if we can connected in the internet. We will open YouTube and see if we can play a video, and we will also do a speed test. Since we are able to play a video and have a speed test, we now have a working street truth cable. That's it. Thank you for watching.